Assalamu alaikum to everyone present here. Today is a very special day for all of us. We have gathered here to congratulate and bid farewell to our dear colleague, Mr. Safir sir. Sir has been an important part of our institution for a long time. Mr. Safir sir first served in admissions department with full dedication. He welcomed new students and parents with a smile and helped them at every step. His hard work made the admission process smooth for everyone. Later, he shared his knowledge as a chemistry teacher. In every difficult time, he stood with us. Beyond teaching, sir was a strong pillar of moral support to our institution. So we gather here to bid him an honorable farewell and we congratulate him on his promotions. He became a teacher. This program consists of few speeches. And at the end of the program, Principal Sir will hand over the bouquet. So, Safir sir, we would like to listen few speeches from our faculty. First of all, I would like to call Firdaus sir to have few words about him, and then would be followed by Mr. Nisar sir, few minutes speech, and then later words would be Safir sir, and the final note would be given by the Principal sir. We hope we manage it in a time-specific manner and be time-specific. Boys and girls, a big clap for our chemistry lecturer. For those it will be honor to listen to him. Message. Today, we are both happy and emotional. Happy because sir has been promoted to a new role as a teacher. It's a proud moment for all of us to see his growth. This promotion is the result of his hard work and dedication. On behalf of the entire institution, we congratulate Mr. Safir sir from our heart. Sir, you truly deserve the success. Directly getting into the business, I would like to call Nisar sir, lecturer physics, to come forward, please share a few words. Thank you. Though you are moving to a new position, your memories will stay with us forever. We will miss your guidance in the admissions team. We wish you all the success in your new journey as a teacher. May you continue to inspire more students with your knowledge. May your path always be filled with happiness and achievements. We pray your good health, peace and bright future. I would like to request Johnson Pirzada to come forward please for a couple of minutes. He has spent so much time with him. They have been great colleagues together all those years. Thank you, Johnson. Students, listening is very tough. I understand you have been sitting like that for almost half an hour. It's tough. But if you remember the last speech of Principal Sir, he stressed that students need to be tough. While teachers speak, you learn. It's part of your education. Even mosquito bite is education. We understand you wish to go inside classes, but it will take us 10 minutes maximum. We have got just 3 speeches remaining, 2 minutes all, and then you into the classes. Got it? Full and accurate. That's the 7 C's of communication. Your communication should be concrete, concise, courteous, complete, and correct. Effective communication. I would like to call Safir sir to come forward, please. He'll share his words with all of us. Boys and girls, big applause for sir. Thank you. Principal sir, your words are so beautiful. These group of flowers used for gifts on special occasions mean love and respect. You got it? These are called as bouquet, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, pronounced as bouquet. Principal sir will honor Safir sir with these flowers together with our honorable faculty members, Firdaus sir, Ghulam Hassan Lone sir, lecturer physical education. The moment would be captured. Ghulam Hasan also will present this second bouquet and then followed by Jan sir and Firdaus sir together. दो चीजें होती है, एक है एप्रिसिएशन, दूसरा है फ्लैटरी. एप्रिसिएशन किसी को तारीफ दिल से करते हैं और फ्लैटरी को वो मस्का. सफीर साहब ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. अगर हम इसको एप्रिशिएट ना करते तो हम इसका हक खाते. जो चीज एप्रिसिएशन के लायक है, a single student will come forward and present this garland to him. Anyone voluntarily? Yes, you get up. You, yes, please. He was volunteer. Being volunteer on such occasions is a sign of beautiful thing. Thank you. One of the esteemed students will present. We are happy at least we gave some little honor to him. We couldn't do the way it should have been, but still thanks.